Now you write down item 1. Please you write item 1. Hello.
Sir, I've written item 1.
But I cannot see. So please stop share and then again you show. Because same screen is there.
Is it visible?
Yeah, now it is clear. So when you do any analysis, after that, if you change the screen, then you have to stop the screen, stop sharing the screen, and then again you have to screen the show. So item 1, then enter. Possibly whatever item 1 you have written, that is not this one. You can write down LS, bracket, another bracket, enter. So this is your data. It is already there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your data is there. Unnecessary, you are working. Okay. Now you write down LS means list. Okay. So now you write ACHI14. Enter. Got it? So your data is there.
Yes, sir. I told you I saved it last time. So it's now. Okay.
Now you write down ACHI4 Chi. Equal to chi square, CHISQ, dot test, then ACHI14. Adi Baba, chi square test, then bracket. Chi square dot test is the function. After that function, you are writing, then enter. Now you write down attributes. ATTRIBUTES, bracket, ACHI4CI, CHI. So that is your vector. Bracket close. Enter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now you write down class, CLASS. Bracket ACHI4 Chi. Bracket close. Enter. What is written?
H test.
H test. Okay. Now, if you want to know what is in observed, what is in expected, what is in residual, then how do you get it? So you can write down ACH I4 Chi CHI, then dollar. Then you write down observed. Then enter. Okay. So that is your observed data. And if you want to know your expected, then what will be? Enter. Is it clear? So that is your expected frequency. Okay. Now you have noted that is your chi-square value. What is your chi-square value? Okay, then you write down SCH I for chi dollar statistic. Enter. So that is your chi-square value. So chi-square value is very high. So why the chi-square value is high? Because your expected frequency is 41.8.
And the observed is very.
But observed is very low.
Yeah.
So if you want to control this high chi-square value, then what you can do? You can add 1 and 2 observation. So that will be the 14. So if you write down, just you write chi-square CHISQ dot test bracket C. Oh, sorry, not bracket is C. Then bracket 14. No, C. Then another opening bracket. She is the function. She is means concatenate. So after that you write down 14, comma 25, 76, comma 94. Bracket close. Enter. Oh, another bracket. 2 brackets are opening. So 2 brackets, another bracket, another closing bracket, then enter. So what you have noted? The chi-square value?
Yeah, it decreased from 158
yes,
to 87.
from 158 was there. Now it becomes 87. Okay. Now if you want to find out 3 below and 3 above, then you can make it again chi-square dot test. What is the sum? Okay, you just you remove it. It is just like calculator. You write down 76 plus 76, 76 plus 94 plus PL, plus sign. Nine 4. Enter. So this is 170. Okay. So now you write down chi-square CHISQ dot test bracket C bracket 14 comma 170 bracket close, enter. Why it happens? Now, two things are very important in chi-square. One is that if your DF, that is degrees of freedom means how many categories you have. So when you have more number of categories, your degrees of freedom will be high. But when there are less number of categories, because here it is DF1, okay, that means your distribution is poor. Your chi-square distribution is poor. So if it is more than 30, if your observation, then it is approximately the normal distribution. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if the DF value is less, DF value is 1. Okay. So then again, there is a high chance for the high value of chi-square. Okay. Now another important part is that observed frequency and expected frequency. So if you want to find out the observed frequency and the expected frequency, what will be the expected frequency? You write down 14 plus 170. Enter. So it is 184. And your observed frequency is 14. 14 means FO. FO minus FE whole square. So 14 minus 184 whole square. And 170 minus 184 whole square. These two will be totally different. No? Discrepancy will be very high in case of 14, your observed data, and your expected data is 184. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So when we'll collect the data, particularly for the chi-square test purpose, or when we want to classify the data, then we have to classify the data in such a manner so that there will be more number of categories. And again, the observed frequency that must be above 5. Okay. It must be above 5. Otherwise, when you want to find out the discrepancy between the observed frequency and expected frequency, then your chi-square will be biased. To remove the biasness, our purpose will be to merge the data. For example, here it is 3, 11, 25, 76, 94. That is the observed data. Okay. and your chi-square very high. But when you have merged the data, because in case of the number 1 category, your observed frequency is 3, less than 5. So you have merged this 1 and 2 data. Then automatically you will get that is your observed frequency becomes the 14, 24, 76, 94. So your chi-square value is better because your DF is 3. Okay. So two things are important. One must be that is the observed frequency cell should not be blank. Number 1. Number 2, observed frequency should not be less than 5. And number 3, the DF should be more than 1. Okay, DF should not be 1. The higher the DF, the chi-square distribution follows the normal probability distribution. Is it clear?
Oh, yes, sir.
So you prepare one PPT about this goodness of fit, particularly for this item. So now you do the analysis for the other items. Again, you write down LS, bracket, another bracket, closing bracket, enter. So now you will get all the variables. Okay. So now you do the analysis for the other one. So HI4 chi, it is already there. Again, you create another one that is HI18 chi. You write H18 chi. Then what you have written earlier. Correct. Next. Okay, Manshi, so you prepare this, huh? And you write it.
Yeah, sir, I will. I have to do this like this for all of
Yes.
these items.
So this thing. Okay, then you write down one thing.
Okay.
Is you write. You write down. You write down not the chi-square test to remove it. You write down item ANA. Item ANA. ANA. ANA equal to data dot frame. 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 Bracket. Then what is your variable? HI4. HI4. ACH. I4. Comma. H chi. Sorry, HI4 chi. HI4 chi. Then dollar. Then observed, comma, HI4 chi dollar expected, comma, expected, comma, HI4 dollar residual, comma, HI4 dollar statistic, comma, HI4 dollar P full stop value, small p value, bracket close. Now you go to the item ANA. After that, you write down I4. Item ANA. Then you write down I4. Okay. Finally, enter. What happened? Just to check whether any dollar is clear. You have written p value now. Achha. Okay, you remove that one. You click upward arrow. Yes, and you remove this p value. After that bracket. Then you check. Oh God.
So there is error in ACHI 14 dollar expected one. This error in this.
So you have to find out any spelling mistake. SCHI4 chi dollar SCH. Okay, you remove this The statistic part also. Again, upward arrow. Remove statistic. Yes, then enter, then bracket, enter. Oh, any wrong? Any spelling mistake? Dollar operator is invalid. Okay. Instead of the data
Sir,
frame,
I got it. Sir, it's like the way we wrote observed here. Same way it should be ACHI 14, CHI $10.
oh, yes, yes, yes. Again, for the same thing, this ACHI4 CHI would be there, residual. Because your vector name is ACHI4 Chi. Yeah, good. So you write down only the item Anna I4. Enter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what happens? Acha. Okay, so for 3, for 11, for 25, for 76, for 94, you will get the all the data.
Sir,
Is it clear?
what does this mean? This frequency dot one and
That is your observed frequency minus expected frequency whole square divided by FE.
okay.
So that is your this one. Whatever you have written now, this. And again, whatever your data is 3. So this is your residual value.
Okay.
You have written observed. After that, you have written expected. Then is the residual. Then is the statistic. Then is the p-value. So that is your residual value. Now you find your observed frequency is 25. Okay, and your expected frequency is 41.8. Then it is minus. You go to the residual value, you will find minus sign. But when it is 76, that is greater than your expected value, then you will get the plus sign.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So in this manner, you can give this knowledge to the student. Okay.
Okay.
So you please prepare PPT for these 9 items.
So, like how should, sir, can you please tell, like, what should I mention in the slides?
This
These-
goodness of it, because the 9 items, the frequency distribution of the 9 items are provided by RPRIT, and your function is to assess the goodness of it.
Okay. So in the slide, I will first mention about goodness of it, and then this entire
So
our
what is
studio
the
part.
goodness of it? That is already written in the Google Classroom.
Yeah.
What is goodness of it? I have given everything.
Yeah.
So you write them. After that, this is the distribution.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now you write down Q, opening bracket, closing bracket. Then enter. Save. Yes.
Yeah.
Now again you go to the Art Studio, then you check whether your data is there or not.
Sir, I opened it. It's hello.
Hello, please you open it.
Yeah, sir, I opened it. It's coming like this.
Then you can check whether it is there or not. So what I tell you, LS. LS means list. Opening bracket, closing bracket. Enter. Okay, so all the data are there. Right?
Okay.
So you have not. Okay, everything is there. So you have not lost anything.
Okay. Okay.
So now you close it. Farah, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
you,
by when should I send you the PPT?
yes, definitely.
So what I have to do on Friday? So please
You
don't
have
give
to
me
assist me.
Oh God, sir, I don't have our studio.
What happened? Our script you have. In your mobile you have.
Yes, sir. Our compiler I have. Yes.
So the same thing can be possible by using the R compiler.
Okay.
You
sir.
try it
So,
by your R compiler, and
yes.
Manshi will try by the laptop. So one example from the laptop side and one example from
The mobile.
mobile.
But sir, Mansi will not be there on Friday.
No, Manshi has Manshi before.